Mpa funga wade. Mpa uche mudia. Mpa wade. Guys, you must understand that if you don't shoot well, there is no how you are going to achieve result. So shoot this part where he's making call, shoot where the girl is coming, then you shoot where he's still making call again, shoot where the girl is going to shoot the light to collect the phone, shoot where he's still making call, where the light is going to bounce. Then after that, you are going to shoot where the phone disappeared, when he was surprised that the phone has gone. After that, you are going to shoot this part again where she's showing him the phone. Then you shoot this part where she collected the phone properly. Then you are going to shoot this part where he went for the phone. After that, you are going to shoot this part where he was shocked. Then you must not forget to shoot this part where she's showcasing the phone, alright? Because this is where you are going to be adding the disappearing, okay, or disappearance. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Guys, click on CapCut, click on new video now. You are going to be importing your first video to workspace. You import it. Make sure you always cut out that action part, alright? So click and trim it. Then you go and make a split where you want the video to start. You make a split here. Then you delete this first part. Then you check if you have gotten what you want. After that, you are going to be clicking on that plus. After you have gotten what you want, you can see I expounded it. This side is choice, alright? After that, click on plus. You import your second video, okay? Import your second video, which is this part where she's making movement. Trim out the action part, okay? Trim it out. After trimming it out, you do your necessary adjustment. From here, you can still trim it. After that, you click push this one. This is how this part is going to play. After this, now you are going to be clicking on plus to import your third video to workspace, alright? Import it. This part, you still trim out the action part. Remember to always trim out the action part. That is how to create your video and make it look professional, okay? After which, now trimming all this part, you are clicking to import the fourth video. Import the fourth one now. Import the fourth one. This is where she's getting ready to throw the light, alright? Trim out the action part. Then you make your cut where you would like it to start from. This part, you are going to trim it now. Then after which you click on plus again. Next she throw the light. Click import your next video to workspace where the light is going to be bouncing on, which is this side. Trim it and make your necessary adjustment. After which this is how it's going to play. When she throw the light, it's going to be bouncing here, alright? Then you click and import your next video to workspace, okay, which is this part where the phone disappeared from his hand. Make a split or you trim it. After trimming it, you do your necessary adjustment, alright? Look at what I am doing. You are going to be splitting this middle here. When you split this middle here, you click on plus. You import this other video where she's trying to where she catch the phone. Then you do your trimming. Immediately she wants to catch or she catch the phone, you trim it to that point, alright? Then you do your necessary adjustments, okay? After which you allow it to play, where he's wondering where is my phone, then you are going to do your adjustment on this one. After doing your adjustment, trim it, you click on plus now. When you click on plus, then you import the next one where you are going to be showcasing two of them, where is showing him the phone. This part, import it. Then where you import it, you do your adjustment as well. Trim out the action part. Do your necessary adjustments. Okay. After doing your adjustment now, the next thing we are going to be importing is the part where he's trying to chase the girl. Import that part where he's trying to chase the girl, which is this part. When you import this one now, don't make any split or trimming. Click it and click on volume, then you reduce it to 0. Mark on this good, because we are going to be applying effect. We are going to be applying magic here. So click that arrow and click on overlay, add overlay now. Then you import the girl, import this part where she's still showcasing the phone. Okay, click it and drag it back. Let me tell you the next thing we are going to be doing here. Drag it to the back so that you see what you are doing. Then click it and remove the part you don't want. Make a split here, delete this part. Then click on this one now and look for duplicate. We are going to be duplicating it. Duplicate this place now. Then look for overlay. Click overlay. Then bring it under each other. Drag it under that place where you drag it here. After dragging it, you come and click this one and drag it under as well, which is the girl part. Click that second layer now. Click the second layer. Go and look for remove BG. Okay, look for remove BG. Okay, go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, which is this auto removal. Then you allow it to remove completely. It's applying. Make sure you watch this video to the end so as not to be missing out on anything. Now it has applied. Mark on that good and go back. Click the last one and click remove BG also. Now you are removing on the girl. After removing it, now you will see that the girl will now go to his front. Look at the girl at his front. That is the purpose of that, so that the girl will come to his front. Okay. After applying the girl the way you want her to be, now you can see that this one entered in the other side. Then drag it to just be equal with that. After this, now the next thing we are going to be doing is to add keyframe. Before he chase, you are going to add keyframe from this place here. Add keyframe from here. As you add keyframe, you adjust it. Immediately he chased, then you click on splice, then you drag it to 0 point. Now let us see what we have got. Let's see what we have got. Let us see. Good. Immediately it chases, it disappears. Then we want to remove the unwanted part. Click here and trim it. Click on the second one, trim it. Click on the third one, you trim it. After you have gotten what you want, we are going to be importing another clip. Then you click on plus. You import this shocking clip here where he was shocked, where he opened his eyes. All right, this shocking part here. Then you are going to do your necessary adjustment. Let it be. Immediately chase, then you showcase yourself, your eyes open. That is, you wondered, you are very shocked, you are surprised. That is what this last clip is going to be standing for. Look at it. So do your necessary adjustment, trim it, expound it, position it the way you would like to be. This side depends on your choice. Okay, after doing all this side, now I believe we have gotten this part. So the next part now is to go and work on the light throwing where she collected the phone, which is this part. So when you get to this part now, we are going to be adding light. So click on plus, then you look for your preferably light, add this one. I want to be using this purple one. All right, you add it. Then we want to click on volume to reduce it to 0. Mark this good and go back. I want to freeze this light because it's video. I want to make it to be photo. Then you freeze it. Click on this one and delete it. Okay, delete this first one, click on the last one and delete it. After which I am going to be clicking on splice. Now you click on splice, you click on filter, mark on this good and go back. Draw the light, drag the light to where you would like it to be, which is the part of the girl. So drag it and bring it there. After which we are going to be clicking on add overlay again. Click on photo. I want to bring another light. Then you bring this one in. Then you click on splice right now. You click on filter. Then you mark on good and go back. Position it the way it should be. So at this point now, we are going to do our necessary adjustments. After adjusting the light and positioning it how it's going to be to her hand, the next thing is to click on keyframe. After you have finished adjusting it the way it's going to be, you can see I'm still trying to figure out where the light is going to be. So you take time and do your own. Immediately you are done positioning the light, you click on keyframe. Click on the purple one first, then you add keyframe. The second one, add keyframe. After adding keyframe, you are going to adjust it a little bit, then you drag it out. No, come back. Let's drag the orange one first. So you click on the orange one, then you are going to be dragging the orange one out. You click on the purple one now, you drag it out. After which you come to this demarcation here, you are going to be making a split here. Click it and make a split. Click the orange and make a split. After which, then this is the second part of it. Click on this purple one now, you drag this light back, drag it back from where you come, drag this one, drag it back. After dragging them back, you are adding keyframe again. Click this one and add keyframe, click this one and add keyframe. Adjust it a little bit again like we did to the other one. Then drag the light to the point of his ear, drag the hand to the point of the phone, do your adjustment. Click on the purple one, drag it there again, do your adjustment. Then after that, now let us see how it's going to play. Let's see. Good. So now after that, click on the light and trim it to the point of the key. Trim it to the point of the key. Click the orange one, trim it to the point of the key. So this is how it's going to play. Then you click on the main video. Now we are going to be trimming it. Click on the main video. After your adjustment of the light, we are going to be trimming the main video so that it will play smoothly. All right, that the main video I mean is this phone part where it's still making call. Click it, trim it. So immediately the light bounce is showing the other clip. That is the disappeared. You see it. Good. So that is that. Good. So that is that. So this point we are going to play the video from the beginning. You can see, but what you must not forget to add here is your light effect and your sound effects. And after adding those things, now you can now export your video because your video is ready. Thank you for watching up to this point. Okay, remember to add your sound effects and your light effect, and after adding them, now the next thing we are doing is to click on export. You allow this video to export to your gallery. Now this video I've installed in your gallery, you can now share it to your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. If you have any magic effect or tricks you would like us to create together, drop it at the comment section. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.